Let us have a sample problem. Suppose you have here a wheel and then with a radius of, let's say the radius of the wheel is 0.5 meters. Now you turn the wheel this direction, so the wheel will move from point A to point B. Okay, so this will be our position B, and this is what the final position of our wheels. Okay, now suppose that the distance from point A to point B is, let's say this is 10 meters, and then it start at, let's say that the time here, time zero is 0 second, and the time final here is 5 seconds. Now we want to know the following. So what is the average speed, and then the number of turns of the wheels. Okay, so let us start with the average speed solution. So our average speed here is the total distance, or let's say the df minus the do, or we could just think of this one as nothing but the change in d over the change in time. The change in d is 10 meters over the change in time 5 seconds. So the speed here is 2 meters per second. Now let us assess how many number of turns did the wheel make. Okay, so the number of turns, we have first to solve for the circumference. What is the circumference of the wheel? So the circumference is 2 pi r. So we have here 2, 3.14, and the radius is 0.5 meters. So the circumference 2, 3.14 times 1/2 m. Now we could omit this and that, and then we're left with 3.14 meters. So the number of turns created must be the total distance. So what is it? So finding the total number of turns must be number of turns must be 10 meters divided by 3.14 meters. Okay, so 10 divided by 3.14, and we end up with 3.1848, and this is the number of turns. Okay, this is how we solve for speed.